Hey everyone, welcome back to the CBS Wellness channel. Today we're diving into one of the easiest and tastiest ways to kickstart your health journey, detox water for weight loss. Not only does detox water help flush out toxins, but it also keeps you hydrated, boosts your metabolism, and can even help curb those snacky cravings. And guess what? It tastes amazing too. So, what is detox water? It's simply water infused with natural ingredients like fruits, veggies, and herbs. It's low in calories and packed with flavor and nutrients. Here's what you'll need for a classic detox water recipe that's great for weight loss. Half a cucumber, sliced, half a lemon sliced, a few mint leaves, a few slices of fresh ginger, 1 liter of cold water. Optional, a few strawberries or orange slices for extra flavor. Start by washing all your fruits and herbs thoroughly. Slice your cucumber and lemon into thin rounds. Peel and slice a few pieces of ginger. This gives it that metabolism-boosting kick. Add everything into a large pitcher. Pour in the water, give it a gentle stir, and let it sit for at least 2 hours, or overnight in the fridge for the best flavor. And there you have it, your refreshing, fat-burning detox water. Drink this first thing in the morning or throughout the day to stay hydrated and energized. Plus, the ingredients are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory properties. Your body will thank you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy tips and recipes every week. Got a favorite detox combo? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to try it out. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!